This Ninja Pelican started with me sitting at my art desk in frustration and a set of dice. Let's talk about it. As artists, we've all been there. Had those moments when you wanted to draw, but had no idea what. Either nothing was coming to you, or there were just so many choices that you got overwhelmed and still ended up drawing absolutely nothing. Having unlimited options sound like freedom, but in reality, it can be a crutch. Anyway, I was feeling stuck, so it's time to add some constraint. I rolled the dice, but not just any dice. I used my art dice. A couple years ago, my friend and fellow graphic designer Logan gave me these dice for Christmas. I love them. There are 9 six-sided die, each covering a different subject, like color, emotions, art medium, objects, animals, things that inspire your drawing. So let's see what journey this dice roll takes us on. Dang. Oh, I'm actually really happy with that last roll. I love working with markers and ink, and I absolutely enjoy drawing fantasy. And here's the beauty of it. You don't have to use all the dice. So I picked out the ones that appeal to me the most. So what happens to, oh, wait. I threw one more die in the mix. This one I got from a white elephant exchange last Christmas, also from Logan, thank you. It's supposed to help if you're one of those people who have trouble choosing what's for dinner, except I use it to help me choose art. So, how do we get from random words to masterpiece? See, that's the beauty of constraints. There's actually research behind this. Studies show constraints increase creativity because they reduce overwhelm and force you to think differently. I mean, that's pretty much the entire premise of the show MacGyver. And if you don't know the genius that is MacGyver, please look him up. Time to brainstorm, or what I like to call word vomit. Just spew out whatever comes to mind about the prompts. Don't overthink it. My first ideas revolved around a bird interacting with a building. You know, a bird carrying a building in its mouth. A building with a bird mural. A bird yelling at a building, mad at the glass. We had a glass building at my college that killed so many birds. I mean, if I was a bird, I'd be angry too.
This bird wants smoke. Look at that. Oh, hey, crack the window.
Ideas really started to ramp up when I brought in the word sushi. I also switched my thinking of bird to that of a chicken leg. I could draw sushi and a chicken running away from a deep fryer, chicken and tuna wrestling over the top spot in the food pyramid, and one of my favorite ideas, angry sushi kicking chicken out of their bento box. Ooh, get out. I went from 0 ideas to 30. Not a bad problem to have. I narrowed my list down to 8, and then even further. And then it came down to pretty much like what would be the most fun thing to draw. Now the hard work begins. I began sketching thumbnails, starting with the bird sushi chef concept. Thumbnails helped me figure out scale, composition, and layout. My sketches are messy and really chaotic. Okay, on the real though, they look like chicken scratch. But that's the point. I'm not trying to make good drawings right now. I'm thinking. Don't get me wrong though, I've got nothing against artists who make gorgeous thumbnails. I, however, want to iterate through ideas quickly. If I tried to make these look good, I'd never get past this stage. Before I start thumbnails, I decide on a number to draw that feels comfortable, and then I add more. For example, I had 2 composition ideas for bird sushi chef in my head, so I decided to draw 7 instead. The more you iterate, the more you push your ideas. Bird chef turned into ninja pelican with a sword. Next, I explored angry sushi reclaiming his bento box from a chicken. It's a solid idea, but ultimately the ninja won. Okay, who's to say I won't draw a bento box in the future? Which concept would you have picked? Angry ninja pelican or angry gatekeeping sushi? Let me know in the comments. Angry ninja pelican sounds so sick, but I don't know how to draw a ninja or a pelican. I'm excited, but also saying to myself, is this gonna be one of those projects that sounded good at the time, but later you regret it? Can I even make this combo work? I started researching and breaking the idea down in parts, and draw study after study after study after study. Ninjas, pelicans, wings, sushi, samurai? Time to put it all together.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know.
And somehow, this is what came out of the chaos, y'all. Hey.
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
Without the art dice prompts, this drawing wouldn't have happened. If you'd like to get your hands on these dice by 2 Tumbleweeds, click on the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. The dice worked for me, but the method matters less than the theory. Add constraints, reduce choices, get unstuck. Here are a few other ways to do exactly that. Check out the Chaotic Draw Along prompt deck. I listened to the 3-Point Perspective podcast. All the words. And it's a product made by one of the hosts named Anthony Wheeler. 105 prompt cards, 35 subjects, 35 descriptor cards, and 35 chaos cards to spice it up. You can also go the DIY route. Write your own prompts on slips of paper and put them in a box or jar. Shake it up and reach in for some inspiration whenever you need. You can also go digital. Visit Random Word Generator for free at randomwordgenerator.com and select the number of words you'd like and word type. Of course, you can also turn to your favorite AI LLM and input this prompt I created that acts similar to Art Dice or Prompt Deck, except my generator leans more towards creating characters and storytelling. You can find the prompt in the description below. Feel free to copy and paste it into your favorite chat. So, the next time you're feeling stuck, try rolling the dice and adding some random constraints. You may surprise yourself with what you end up with. Cue Angry Ninja Pelican. My name is Shav, an aspiring illustrator, and this is Line Work and Lore, my channel that documents my journey of drawing and storytelling. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, then check out whatever video's next in that corner. Remember, it's never too late to create, unless you're dead. Peace.